Hi, this is Kathy from Mimi's Craft Corner, and I have a quick flip through of a folio that I created today, and this is for an upcoming card class or workshop that I have going on. So the folio closes with a belly band. Normally I would put embellishment and sequins all over the front, but I needed to be able to slide that belly band off so that we can get into it. So that's the reason you're not going to. The class will contain information about how we're going to make that front cover, the spine, and everything. And as you open it up, you can see that that front pocket on the left is holding, I believe it's 7 tags. So these tags have all been cut. You can either journal on them or you can place small pictures on them. So it makes a really neat way to be able to put some cute little pictures together in a simple format for people to be able to look through. I used a lot of my scraps doing this, used die cuts to cut the flowers, put some embellishment on there, tied some ribbon and used twine on all of the tags. And that little pocket will hold all of them so that you do have a little bit of give in there. Now as you go over to the other side, you see that I have 7 waterfall places for you to put pictures. So you can put pictures or journal on the front and the back of those flip throughs. And you can see that I've used colored cardstock just to brighten it up and look. But if you actually want to do some writing, all you have to do is write your little note on a piece of paper and glue your piece of paper on there instead of a picture. So that's the last one. Here's the last flip. So it gives you an opportunity, and this was a great way to use up some scraps. And just an easy project, something that you might want to consider putting together for some family members at Christmas time. Some cute themed paper, depending on what season it is, would make a really great opportunity. Thanks for stopping and watching my video. See you soon.